by De Jesus. De Jesus again. Coverage by Fajardo. Galang.
Oh,
What De Jesus has done in the last two plays.
Champions to the brink also here. They're pushing them to the limit. De Jesus saves it. It's a free ball for LaSalle. Reyes in front. Oh, what a chase by De Jesus. Valdez. Another long rally here. Fajardo. Galang. Denied.
Ateneo winning that in a hard-fought battle. Which is a point, 1 point, and you can clearly see both teams want it so bad.
What about that chase of De Jesus from the back to the front?
Another strong down the line hit. But Ella De Jesus was right there.
Free ball though for LaSalle, who are up by a point.
Ella with another dig.
Valdez on the other end. Puts it away and ties the back. Time. Abante ng isa. Make that 2. For Ateneo. Was that Ella De Jesus?
Yep, what solid block there on the running hit of Abby Maraño.
Betadine block of a set. Betadine 7.5% feminine wash. For Red Days, it's better to be protected. Well, after, and they said, we were glad it happened.
Yes.
We were due for a loss in terms of a set.
Correct.
Kasi, dun sila
So much pressure eh.
Saka parang it will help you refocus, will help you sharpen your game. Now we're going to see that here. Kasi, this is a little bit of adversity. They're down 3. How will LaSalle respond? Check. Tunay put something behind it, but there was a block. Was it De Jesus who got it or Teada?
Looked like it was De Jesus.
Let's look at it again. Deserves a second look. Tunay surging. De Jesus was right there.
You gotta love it when you see cute players actually get to...
May pag-fold sa gitna ng So, mahirap yung ganun. Matangkad ka na nga. You have the complete tools of being a strong spiker as Tolentino continues to hit block. But De Jesus, no other than the elevator herself.
Ella De Jesus single block against the #1 scorer of the PBL Open Conference, Kat Tolentino. Emphatic block as well. Look at her.
For Bea De Leon, but Ella De Jesus won't be allowed to leave the court. So Ella De Jesus might be playing open, and Stockton will be playing middle.
Yeah, pwede, right?
Very interesting sequence.
Let's see what will happen.
I am waiting for the elevator to be reactivated today. Waiting for the elevator to be reactivated today.